your girl Marcy to be back with a new crochet install. You want to hear all about this hair? Just stay tuned. So the hair I installed is from the Vivica Fox hair collection. It is their jumping and bumping wand curl braid 100% connect-along. It is 2 times the hair. You actually get 22 strands per pack. Hair is 10 inches long. It is open loop crochet braid, and it comes in 8 solid colors. I purchased this hair for only $4.99 a pack online at hairbird.com. I will put a link down in the description box for that. I like this hair a lot better than some of the other wand curls because it's really soft and has a little more of a silky texture as opposed to Yaki or Marley texture, so I'm kind of liking that. Here's the hair out of the packaging, and you can see just how really bouncy it is, and this gives you a close-up of that curl pattern. Now for this installation, I did go back to my easy to do straight back cornrow braiding pattern, and for the most part I did not separate the strands. Just pulled the hair underneath the cornrow through the loop and tightened it without creating a knot. You can of course separate the strands and then create a knot for a little extra security. It's just going to give you a little extra volume with your style, but I did find that separating the strands does not create much frizzing. So this is about 3.5 packs, and as I was saying, I did not separate most of the hair, only right here in the top that I separate the strands and tie them off. So you could probably get away with 3 or maybe even less packs if you separate the hair, and it doesn't seem to be frizzing much when you separate it. So let me give you a 360 so you can check it out from all angles. YouTube, as always, thank you so very much for watching. I do appreciate you. Please post any questions, comments, anything I did not cover in this video below. I will get right back at you. I'm out for now though, YouTube, and you know what I always say before I go. Be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.